So my name's Paul Trotter. I'm a director at Fulton Trotter Architects, and we're a fourth generation architectural practice operating in Brisbane, and we've been operating in Brisbane and Sydney for quite a considerable period of time. And we do a lot of work that you'd probably describe in this country as design, bid and build, and that involves a lot of education, aged care, healthcare, and works for local authorities, libraries, art galleries and those sorts of fun projects.
So I'm Nathan Hildebrandt, also a director at Fulton Trotter Architects. I've been with the practice for over 15 years. So John Wesley Gardens is a project that was completed about 18 months ago. It's a 144-bed aged care facility. It's one of our first major projects that we worked collaboratively with our full consultant team, utilising Open BIM processes and IFC communication and collaboration methodologies. That in itself, I think, assisted us to achieve better outcomes in terms of avoiding costly clashes on site and a higher quality of coordinated documents. In terms of communication with our clients, part of the stakeholder engagement methodologies that we utilise was BIMX. It's incorporated as part of the communication with the various stakeholders, and we found it's a good tool to use in those circumstances because the people that we're working with or communicating with are nurses or carers, and they aren't trained to read architectural drawings and plans. So being able to communicate clearly and more effectively utilising a 3D environment, and what BIMX provides, makes that a lot easier.
The dream is an integration, if you like, between the specification and the outputs of the BIM model. And my view is, after what I've seen today, certainly I'm sure Nathan shares that view, is that we're just bringing those things together will be so important for us.
What we've found in Australia is that there's a big movement moving now with regards to governments looking to mandate BIM. So we made the announcement in terms of under my leadership of a new brand that we have at Fulton Trotter Architects as Fulton Trotter Digital, and the idea being that we will be able to provide those services to our clients to deliver greater value in terms of information specification and information management. Now, the reason why we align, I guess, with Bond Bryan Digital and Rob Jackson is because of the fact that both of our practices have similar beliefs. We both are very strong advocates of open BIM processes, and we believe that by working together, we as collectively, Fulton Trotter Digital and Bond Bryan Digital, will be able to bring greater value to our customers and our clients across Australia and in the UK.
My feeling around that is quite is one of excitement, because who would have thought Nathan and I would be sitting here in Budapest talking to your crew about the processes that we've been adopting. I think it's been absolutely tremendous that we've been able to help develop your software product based on the feedback that Nathan and his team has been able to provide over a number of years. And it's unique, we're actually helping develop your product and you're really supporting us on our BIM journey.
And the relationship and the care and the true kind of friendships that we've built here in Budapest is probably something that I couldn't imagine you can do with anyone else.
And being welcomed over here to their HQ and get to meet the various, to meet Victor and everybody else in the leadership team and get that confidence that they're looking after architects and they're thinking about us as a profession, I think has been tremendously exciting.